बेरेस्तारा दक्षिण गोयच्या उपनिबंधक कार्यालयान बोगस राबितो दाखल्याचो लग्नाच्या नोंदणी कसो उपेग करतात ते उक्ताडार हाडला। जाणी हे बोगस राबितो दाखले केल्यात ते 5 जाण बिगर गोंयकार। 5 3 बोगस दाखल्याक एकूच नोंदणी नंबर जाल्यार 2 दाखल्यांचे ट्रान्सफर जाल्ल्या मामलेदारांची सायन आशिल्ल्याचे दिसून आयला। एका एजंटान पैशाच्या आशेक ही बेकायदेशीरपणा केला अशें प्राथमीक पळोवणेंत दिसून आयला।
See, the Office of Civil Registrar cum Sub Registrar Saset, we are processing all marriage applications through online mode. So, while verification, certain things were noticed by us that the residence certificate uploaded by some of the parties, upon verification through online mode, we realized that these residence certificates were not at all issued by the Mamledar offices. Upon inquiry from the concerned parties, it was realized that they had taken that residence certificate from third party, and they are not the authenticate certificates, or I can say they are bogus certificates, because when we find out the authenticity of the certificate through online mode, it was not the certificates which were issued by the Mamledars. So it was a very serious issue where a lot of money is being accepted for getting that marriage residence certificates. So we have already filed a police complaint with the police inspector of the Fatora police stations, and necessary inquiries will be conducted through the police inspectors of Fatora police station.
किती फावण जालें तुमकां अशें सस्पिशियस अशें?
हे आमी लास्ट 2-3 दिसा पळयता की अशें आमकां रेजिडन्स सर्टिफिकेट येता. सो आमी रेग्युलरली एवरी रेजिडन्स सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑनलायन चेक करपाक लागले की ह्यो सारक्यो आसा काय म्हणून. कित्याक वी रियलायज वी हॅड ओनली सीन ओनली वन केस, बट देर आफ्टर आवर स्टाफ वी हॅड इंस्ट्रक्टेड आवर स्टाफ टू व्हेरीफाय every residence certificate, and now we have got around 5 to 6 cases of bogus residence certificates.
But what exactly you have found in that?
What we have realized is that the outward number of the Mamledars is common with all these 6 certificates. The dates has been changed. The names and photographs of the concerned person has been manipulated on that certificates. But outward number is displayed as same on all these 6 residence certificates.
Signature?
Yeah, even the signatures is the same. In one of the case, we have realized that the concerned Mamledar is transferred, but the certificate is issued in his name upon his transfer order also. To the citizens is that when they are getting the residence certificates through third party, means when they are not directly contacting the Mamledar office through online for getting the residence certificate, then they should ensure that it has been issued by the Mamledar offices only. Because by seeing such cases, we have seen that some agents are working and they are producing such forged documents. That means residence certificates which are not issued by the Mamledar but are manipulated and forged. So my appeal to the citizens is that they should verify when they are approaching to the third party to get the residence certificate. They should verify the authenticity of that certificates.
गौरंग प्रभू मळकर्णेकारा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.